Hey guys, so in this video today, I'm going to go ahead and teach you how you could set keyboard shortcuts on TradingView. It's extremely easy to do, very simple, so let's get right into it. Now, if you're looking to actually have an advantage in trading and you're quite swift and quick, you're looking for the keyboard shortcuts. Head over to the top left-hand corner, you'll see your little, profile icon. Click on it and then click on the keyboard shortcuts right here. Basically, here you have the option to just toggle whatever you want. You could set custom binds to specific, measuring tools and pasting objects and all of that. Trading in general, you can see here that you could see like how to place limit orders with shortcuts and all of that. So you could change that all to your preference, whatever you'd like it to be, but that's how you go ahead and do it. That's how you find keyboard shortcuts on TradingView. Thank you guys for watching, and if you did find this helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and I will see y'all for the next one.